Hello, on this paper, you're going to be asked to put everything together that we've learned this week about finding the actual measurement or the scale measurement or the scale factor. Because I can't be there, I just wanted to clarify what you need to do. So this says Henry painted a picture of his house on canvas. The actual width of the driveway is 20 feet. If it's represented by a width of 4 inches on the canvas, what is the scale factor? So you're being asked to find the scale factor. So in our last tutorial, it said that the scale factor is for one of whatever the measurement is for the model for however many of the actual. So what you're looking for is 1, in this case it's inches, equals, and this is what you're going to have to find, how many feet are represented by 1 inch. So in the previous tutorial, we used a proportion to do that. So would you please do that on your own? Now let's look at the second problem. This is a different type of problem. The distance between Janet's home and her office is represented on the map with a scale factor of 1 inch equals 5.6 miles. So this time they gave us the scale factor. It goes on to say if the distance between the two locations on the map is 3 inches, calculate the actual distance between her home and the office. So they've given us, if we look at this, they've given us the inches, which is on the map, so that's the scale, and we're being asked to find the actual distance. And again, you can set this up as a proportion. Because we're not finding a scale factor, you don't have to put the y over the x. You can write the scale as they gave it to us. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and try these, the rest of the problems on the sheet, and the key for this has also been attached. Take care and have a good day.